In this video, we'll show you how to fix the Valorant DirectX Runtime error on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The direct runtime error in Valorant usually happens when something on your system is missing, corrupted, or conflicting with the game. When this happens, Valorant might crash on launch, close randomly, and refuse to open at all. And here, I'll show you how to fix it. Alright, so first, restart your computer. This sounds simple, but it actually fixes the issue more often than you expect. Once your PC boots back up, try launching Valorant again. If the error is still there, we can move on to the next step. Alright, now let's make sure your direct files are installed correctly. Even on Windows 11, direct runtime components can sometimes get corrupted, and that's what triggers this error. Open your browser and go to Microsoft Official Direct and User Runtime Web Installer page. I'll put the link in the description. You can click on that. Once you're on the page, click download, run the installer, and let it repair any missing direct files. After it finishes, restart your PC. Next, let's deal with your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of direct runtime errors. Open your graphics control panel, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and check for the latest driver update. After installing the driver, you can restart your PC and try again. If the error is still happening, open Windows Settings, go to Apps, uninstall Riot Vanguard, and then restart your PC. After rebooting, launch Valorant again and Vanguard will reinstall automatically. Restart one more time after Vanguard finishes installing and try to launch Valorant again. At this point, launch Valorant and see if the game opens normally. For a lot of people, the error is already fixed by now. If the direct runtime error is still showing, now let's repair the game itself. Open the Riot client, find Valorant, click the settings or options icon and choose the repair option. This will scan all the game files and fix anything that's missing or corrupted. Let the repair finish completely and then try launching Valorant again. After you do everything, the last thing to try is uninstall Valorant from Windows, restart your PC, and then download and install it again from Riot website. This resets all the game files and fixes cases where nothing else works. And that's it.